Creating custom points of interest in the BRP GO app can be very useful. You can save the location of your private launching ramp, your favorite place for swimming, or your secret island for easy access during your rides. And it is very simple to add your own custom places on the map. On the mobile app, simply move around the map and find the exact spot of your custom location. Then, long press on the screen at that specific spot. The app will propose 3 different actions. To create your custom location, select Save in My Places. You will then be asked to give a unique name to your place. Once you name your location, it will now be displayed on the map with the star icon. All of your custom points of interest will be displayed this way so that you can easily locate them. In addition to being displayed on the map, your custom places will also be available in the search section of the mobile app or on your Sea-Doo's display. You will find all your saved locations under My Places. This makes it super easy for you to create a route to your custom location or to add this location as a stop in your itinerary when planning your ride. If you ever want to delete a custom POI from your account, just tap its icon on the map and select Delete from My Places. Please also note that your saved locations are private, so they will only appear on your map. However, if you create an itinerary by adding a custom POI and that you share this route with your friends, they will be able to see it on their map in this specific ride. Now it's time to create all your favorite locations in the app and enjoy the BRP GO experience on your Sea-Doo.